This snow-baked dessert tastes similar to a creme caramel or flan, and you can make it with only a few simple ingredients. Start by melting 100 grams or about half a cup of unsalted butter in a pot over medium heat. Next, add 120 grams or 1 cup of all-purpose flour and mix to form a roux. You'll want to cook this for a couple minutes to prevent it from tasting like raw flour. Once it smells slightly nutty, it's time to start adding 1 liter of milk gradually. Only add about a quarter of the milk at first, then whisk until it's fully incorporated. Continue adding the milk in small amounts, whisking in between until all the milk has been added and the mixture is smooth. Now add 80 grams or a little over a third of a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix again and continue cooking until it comes up to a boil and thickens a little more. Transfer it to a 9-inch pie plate and gently shake to smooth out the top. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes. While that sets, first make a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 200 milliliters or a little under a cup of water. Once it's well mixed, set that aside. To a saucepan over medium heat, add 90 grams or a little under half a cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of water. Bring this up to a boil and continue cooking, occasionally swirling the pan to mix it until a rich caramel forms. At this point, lower the heat, add another teaspoon of water and stir. Finally, pour in the cornstarch slurry and stir until the caramel thickens. Remove from the heat and pour over your chilled base, then spread it out evenly and chill again for at least 30 minutes before serving. Try this recipe at home and let us know how it goes. If you want to see more simple dessert recipes, hit that subscribe button.